Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Isan. My name is Hafiandi Ibrahim from 1012. And right now I will do the English conversation subject final project, which is review film. And I review a film that called The Art of Racing in the Rain. So the author of the film is Garth Stein. The director of the film is Simon Curtis. The genre of the film is comedy, romance, sport, and melodrama. And the publication date of the film is 20 May 2019. There are some characters. First are Enzo, the golden retriever. He is friendly, enthusiastic, kinda mischievous, and loves outdoors. Second one is Danny. He is kind, protective, affectionate, dog lover, and sporty. The third one is Eve. She is kind, affectionate, family-oriented. And the fourth is Zoe. She is creative, playful, and childish. And the fifth is Maxwell. He is menacing, materialistic, and boring. The sixth is Trish. She is kind, truthful, and materialistic. And right now I will tell the brief summary of the film. The story begins when Danny finishes racing. He adopts a golden retriever puppy. He quickly bonds with the dog, which he named Enzo. Danny works as a racer and a teacher in auto racing. A year passed. Danny met a woman named Eve at the supermarket. A few weeks later, they start dating. Their relationship escalates at an increasing rate. Enzo then began to invite Eve. Danny and Eve got married at Eve's parents' mansion. Eve's mother, Trish, is very supportive of their marriage, but Eve's father, Maxwell, did not fully approve of their marriage because of Danny's dangerous job. He was afraid that Eve would be left alone if something happened to Danny. Long story short, Eve became pregnant. On Christmas Day, Danny received an offer to race the 24-hour Daytona in February, which was close to the date Eve gave birth. Danny also asked Eve about this, but Eve told Danny just to take part in the race. Eve then gave birth to her child while Enzo was watching Danny's race on TV. Because Zoe was born, Eve's parents visited their house more often. Maxwell didn't get tired of reminding Danny about the dangers he faced if he continued racing. Years passed, and family life was idyllic for Enzo, while Danny rarely at home because he was doing his job. Eve began to fall seriously ill, and Enzo could smell a rotting wood odor coming from his head. It turned out that Eve was diagnosed with brain cancer. With Eve and Zoe staying at Eve's parents' house, it turns out that when Eve's treatment progressed, as fate would have it, Eve died before Enzo's own eyes. Maxwell blamed Danny because he continued racing and paid little attention to his wife's health. Maxwell also wanted to take custody of Zoe, but Danny flatly rejected the offer. When Danny tried to leave, Maxwell grabbed his arm and Danny let go of the grip, causing Maxwell to fall and get hurt. Danny continued racing and received an offer from the Ferrari F1 team, but before he could accept the offer, Danny was arrested by the police. Maxwell sued Danny for the attack, which caused him to fall and get injured. Danny also promised that he would accept the Ferrari offer after he was cleared of the charges. Frustrated, Danny went jogging with Enzo, struggling to keep pace in his old age. Enzo attempted to follow Danny across a street but was hit by a car. Danny rushed to Enzo and took him to the animal hospital. Enzo suffered from an injury that means he won't have long to live. Danny is tired of all the problems he faced. He also gave in to the custody of Zoe and the others. But Enzo took the paper and tore it, convincing Danny to keep fighting. The trial begins, and Trish felt guilty and admitted the truth about the accident. While under oath, the charges were dropped. Danny called the Ferrari representative and takes the job. When Maxwell and Trish came to Zoe's birthday, Danny forgave them for what they had done. Over the next few weeks, Danny knew that Enzo didn't have long to live, so Danny arranged to drive him around the track where he used to teach. Enzo recorded a television documentary that showcased Mongolian beliefs that after dogs die, some were incarnated as humans. Enzo explained that he was looking forward to his new life. 8 years later, Danny had been successful as a racer for the Ferrari team and lives in Italy with Zoe. Danny was introduced by Zoe to a young fan. He agreed. Discovering the boy's name is Enzo, Danny smiles and tells the father that the boy reminds him of an old friend. And that's how the story of the film ends. For me, this movie is extraordinary. The plot of the movie is fascinating and heartbreaking. The film soundtrack is fabulous. It made me feel more like I was in the film itself, like sad tunes and happy songs. This movie made me feel unusual, like when I watch a delightful scene about not long after that, I watch a miserable scene. There's a lot of scenes that were memorable for me, like when Enzo got hit by a car because Danny's mistake. It made me sad and uncomfortable at the same time. Apart from that, there is also a scene when they were grieving. Eve's father wants to take custody of Zoe. It was sad before, but then it made me feel angry because of it. I didn't think this film is just about dog and racing, but about love and family. And there are some key takeaways that I take from this film. That this film it's not just a story about a dog. It is a story of human life struck with tragedy, joy, failure, and success. The movie tells me that life will not always go the way we want. This film also makes me feel good about being a human. We also have to appreciate every moment we go through. This film is changing me. And it might just change the way we look at our pets forever. And my recommendation and rating for this film is I recommend this film to those of you who likes films about love, family and drama. This film also makes you feel happy, angry and sad at the same time. That's what makes this film good in my opinion. And I highly recommend this film because it will change your POV of the world. My rating for this film is 100% because it is one of my favorite movies of all time. That's all my final project English conversation subject. Thank you Mr. Isan for all your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.